So today we're going to put in this 50M56X-843 universal control board. It replaces all of these different part numbers, which is crazy. That's a lot of different boards, over 550. But if we look at our carrier, Bryant, and Payne, we want to look at the part number on this board and just make sure that it matches. It's going to be this HK42FZ0614618. There it is right there. So I'm going to try this. But you actually download this app here, and then you can configure the board by putting your phone next to it and connecting to the board, which is really cool. So here I'm downloading the app. We'll tap on open. Now we're gonna just tap connects to control. I set my phone on there and I felt it. Understood. Proceed. Blower selection. Enter replacement part number. So I think this is where we're going to add the board HK. There it is. So click on that. Okay. Enter purge duration in blue because it doesn't know what it is. Post purge duration 15 seconds. Auto stage timer. Alright, so we're going to click update control. Control updated. And I think that's it. So I just literally had my phone sit right on here. And you saw that screen recording exactly what it was doing. So that was pretty cool, actually. That was very easy. So this is configured now to operate the same as this board, and we just use the correct pinouts and connectors on this board as we install it. So we're going to have, I'll pull the screws out of the standoffs and we'll just move everything over slowly. So I just screwed it on there. You can see we've got our transformer power here. Transformer neutral right here. This is the flame sensor, or igniter, and combustion blower. And then we've got all these neutrals, which I'll move up to there. And the different blower speeds, which will get moved over here. It's pretty cool. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and power it up for the first time here. There were 3 wires that were just parked on the other board, so I didn't hook them up. And we only had our heat and high cool terminals that we ended up having to hook up for the blower. And then the neutral for the blower is hooked up here, which I thought was kind of funny because if you look at that terminal, it says car N, which I think is carrier. It's the only 3/16 spade terminal. So I had actually put the 2 fan speeds in the wrong spot, so I moved them back over here. And now it is doing what it's supposed to, so it says on, it says fan, and then it puts power to this one right here. And the fan comes on. So we're going to cycle the heat on now and see if it goes through its sequence properly. So I cycled the heat on. HPR. Here comes the igniter. Kind of a loud blower. Should bring on the main blower any moment now. would say overall I was pretty impressed with this board. It seems like some universal stuff works really well and some universal stuff can be really difficult to work with, but this really wasn't bad, and I think I'm going to start carrying one on my truck. Yeah, that's going to work.